Wotowoto.com, Wotowoto.com. Good morning, everybody. Ọwọ́ tẹ́ fi ń bá mi like ètò mi, tẹ́ fi ń share, tẹ́ dẹ̀ fi ń fi opinion yín dáadáa, tẹ́ fi ń kí mi. Lágbára ọba tó sílẹ̀ kọjọ́ ni ẹ ní fọwọ́ náà gba lẹ́tà bànújẹ́, ẹ ní fọwọ́ náà gba lẹ́tà ẹkún. Gbogbo yín tẹ́ fẹ́ tẹ́ ní ọmọ ológo, tẹ́ fẹ́ kó gu ọmọ ológo máa go, tẹ́ fẹ́ kó gu ọmọ ológo wọ mi. Ayé yín àtàwọn ọmọ yín náà ò ní wọ mi lójijì. Ikú òjijì ò ní wọlé tọ̀ yín wá. Mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ yín pẹ̀lú gbogbo ìfẹ́ tẹ́ ní sí mi. Ọlọ́run Lédùmarè náà fìfẹ́ tó dáa hàn sí. Mo tún mú fídíò mi wá fún yín torí pé ẹ lè miss tó sọnù lánàá, torí pé ẹmọ iṣẹ́ pọ̀ and then mi ìmọ̀ tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ this day tí n bá fẹ́ upload báyìí uploading yẹn mi ìmọ̀ tó ṣẹlẹ̀. Gbogbo fóònù mi mo dẹ̀ ti try láti format. Tí n bá fẹ́ upload ó lè tó ó lè tó 3 hours 4 hours kó tó upload. Even eléyìí tó dàn ní ọ̀sán yẹn àti àárọ̀ ni mo ti upload ẹ̀ tó yẹ ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ mi. I don't know what is going on, but it is well though. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi, mo mú fídíò kan wá fún yín so tó jẹ́ wípé ẹ lè miss ẹ̀ lánàá. Mo rí fídíò kan lórí Arise TV. In fact, níbi tí Bühårï tó ti lé òun tó ti ń sọ nípa Goodluck Jonathan nǹkan bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn. So mi ní fẹ́ kó jẹ́nu mi lẹ́tí máa gbọ́, but mo gbádùn wotowoto.com tí Rufai fún wọn. Ó fún wọn ní wotowoto.com. Mo fẹ́ kẹ́ súnmọ́ bí kẹ́ jẹ́ kájọ gbọ́, kẹ́ jẹ́ kájọ wo fídíò náà, kẹ́ jẹ́ kájọ ṣe ó ṣe ṣe kó jẹ́ pé wà máa sọ̀rọ̀ lé lórí later. Thank you so much. God bless you. Like and share and leave your own opinion. Thank you so much. God bless you.
President Muhammadu Buhari yesterday reviewed the 2015 general elections that brought him into office and said the singular act of his predecessor, Dr. Goodluck Jonathan, conceding defeat even before the formal announcement of the election result was unprecedented and definitely not Nigerian. Buhari made the assertion at a farewell meeting with his media support group, BMO, Buhari Media Organization, at the State House in Abuja. The statement came as the president was billed to confer on the president-elect Bola Tinubu the country's highest honor of Grand Commander of the Order of the Federal Republic, GCFR, during the handing over of transition documents at the State House in Abuja on the 25th of May, 2023, ahead of his inauguration as the 16th president of Nigeria. Speaking at a farewell meeting, beg your pardon. Speaking at a farewell meeting with his support group, the president recalled that how elated he felt when his predecessor Jonathan called him at 5:25 that evening to say congratulations. Buhari in shock replied saying, "Pardon me, Mr. President," before Jonathan said yes, he had called to concede and congratulate him. Let's talk about
I mean, it's good that the president has returned the compliment by saying that he thinks that President Jonathan conceding in 2015 is unprecedented, is un-Nigerian. Is it an indication that if he had been in a similar situation, he would not have conceded? He would not have picked the phone to congratulate? But the significance of President Jonathan is that other leaders across Africa have since then followed his example. The notable person is John Mahama, president of Ghana. When he too lost the election in Ghana to the present president, he openly said, okay, fine, I'm off. These are the lessons that African leaders should go by, and which was why in 2017, when Yahya Jammeh of Gambia was exhibiting do-or-die attitude and he didn't want to leave governance, African leaders, ECOWAS leaders reminded him of the example of Goodluck Jonathan, of the example of John Mahama. The only thing that was missing in President Buhari's address to them is that he did not apologize to some of us who suffered in the hands of the Buhari Media Organization. Well, he had apologized generally to Nigeria, but that Buhari Media Organization, they also didn't do well by abusing people, going on Twitter, abusing people, turning the same Twitter that the Nigerian government complains about into a weapon of attack. But the other question that the president did not address is, what have we done with those resources? We have mismanaged oil. We have mismanaged agriculture. We have mismanaged everything. What is the problem? What is it that is wrong with us as a country? If indeed this country is so blessed, why are we so blessed? Why are we so cursed? That is for me, the subtext. But in any case, the president has apologized to everybody to say if he has offended anybody, he has apologized, no problem.
Because you see, it's so easy for President Muhammadu Buhari to say what he said about Goodluck Jonathan. But can he do the same? One man said, the blood of Nigeria is not worth my ambition. Another man said, bone will flow. We have not forgotten. Dr. Abati, President Buhari was the same man that threatened to take you to court for libel because you spoke the truth in your newspaper article by saying that most of his slogans leading up to the elections were the things that incited mammoth violence after the 2011 election. You did not lie, Dr. Abati. You did not lie in that article. You spoke the truth, but President Muhammadu Buhari thought otherwise, and he threatened you with a libel case. Then, we all remember how that letter was drafted by your own dear Yinka Odumaki of blessed memory. We all remember. We remember. You see, in this country, there are so many things we just choose to forget. It's not because we've forgotten, but because we want things to lie. So President Muhammadu Buhari is saying that about Goodluck Jonathan. But when he was faced with that situation of election loss, we know what he did. We know the things he said, and we will not forget. Because now we are preaching unity. You see, the bone of contention as regards this election, a lot of people are getting it twisted. It's just that, how can I explain it? Let me explain it in a very simple term. It's just that what we ordered from INEC is not what we got. Abiayo. That's just it. INEC said they were going to transmit results. We didn't see transmission of results. You know, when you buy things on social media, what you ordered is different from what you got. What Nigerians ordered from INEC is not what they got. And people have a right. Till today, maybe INEC will say it in the court too. They've not been able to tell us what constitutes the technical glitch that didn't make them transmit results. But they were the ones that said they were going to transmit results. So you don't expect people not to speak up in the case of injustice. And when President Muhammadu Buhari said it is un-Nigerian what Goodluck Jonathan did, no, President Muhammadu Buhari should not insult Nigerians. It is Nigerian what he did. Nigerians concede. Nigerians are peaceful people. Because when you say it is un-Nigerian, what you mean is that Nigerians don't concede. Goodluck Jonathan saw that, okay, he had lost and he wanted to move on, and he conceded. So if you cannot do something and somebody else do it and he says on Nigeria, no, speak for yourself. Don't speak for all of us. It is also Nigerian to be able to challenge election results like people are doing in courts. And what these people have constantly said is, it is challenging the process. So for me, I think what is un-Nigerian is the fact that the court will rule today as regards should they even televise the proceedings live of the election. Why should we even have to take a matter to court? Why should INEC be saying they should not even transmit it in the first place, when Nigerians should be able to see what truly happened? So I think those are the things that are un-Nigerian.